Well, like I was saying earlier on, the movie theater might be a good place to be over the weekend as temperatures are expected to remain hot, but below triple digits, at least in San Antonio. Might not be the case for our southern counties. Take a look at outside right now. It's a very pleasant evening. Warm, but not too warm. We're looking at 83 degrees officially at the San Antonio International Airport. When you factor in that humidity, which is sitting at 69%, we do have a pretty high heat index, at least with respect to the air temperature, 88 degrees, so about 5 degrees hotter. The winds are out of the south and east at about 14 miles per hour, so we have a little bit of a breeze to go along with that tonight. Dew point at 72. The closer that is to the air temperature, the higher the humidity, the higher the feels like number. 81 the current temperature in Bernie. The cool spot is Rock Springs sitting at 77. 87 in Del Rio, 84 Eagle Pass. Kerrville, you're 82 degrees. 83 for Gonzales, 82 in Hallettsville. 83 in San Marcos and 84 in the town of Floresville. But when you put the humidity in there, it feels more like 93 Pearsall and Cotulla, 87 George West, 94 is what it feels like in Carrizo Springs. That is the hot spot on the map for the feels like, 88 San Marcos and 79 still in the 70s is what it feels like in Rock Springs. There are those river flood warnings for the Frio and also the Nueces rivers. Now the Nueces has not quite crested at Tilden yet. Right now it's sitting at about 7.5 feet and it's going to ramp up pretty quickly to the crest of 23.1 feet. That's the forecast at this point, but notice that's not going to be until Tuesday. So we still have several days to go before that crest happens, and it doesn't show on the graphic here, but it slowly goes down beyond that. So major flood territory for the Nueces at Tilden as we head into the first part, middle, and end of next week. So we'll be talking about these river flood warnings for quite a while. Water vapor imagery showing where the dry air is. That's where that orangey color is, or the dark, the black there, and we are right there. High pressure is here over the Four Corners. That's going to dominate our overall weather pattern for the next couple of weeks, and high pressure in the summer typically means warm mornings, sometimes muggy, and in the afternoons, lots of sunshine and temperatures at or above seasonal norms. The average of high pressure, easy to pick out right there in the upper level pattern. Trough in the east usually happens, kind of the opposites, and that ridge is going to stay there through the weekend. You'll see it there Sunday into Monday, and all of next week through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it stays in about the same spot. That means dry weather for the most part for us and a lot of sunshine and heat. Here's your hour-by-hour futurecast. Here's tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. If you're waking up early and have to do any driving, might have a little patchy fog. Besides that, mostly cloudy skies and muggy. Temperatures starting out in the low to mid 70s. By the end of the day, we'll get some more cloud cover rolling in here, but still some sunshine. This model showing more and more cloud cover as each run comes out. So I was saying mostly sunny, but might be more like a mixture of sun and clouds. High temperatures in the low to mid 90s for the most part tomorrow. And we'll do it again on Sunday. Mostly cloudy in the morning, temperatures starting out in the low to mid 70s. And in the afternoon, it's mostly sunny skies and high temperatures well into the 90s. Maybe triple digits for our southern counties for highs, but most of us should stay a little shy of the century mark on your Sunday. For tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, 76 to start, 87 by lunchtime, partly cloudy. We're saying mostly sunny, might have a bit more cloud cover than that though for your afternoon tomorrow. High temperature of 95, 96 on Sunday with loads of sunshine. And then Monday we warm up to 97, 98 Tuesday, 99 Wednesday, and we stay just shy of 100 all the way through the next weekend. And then into the first full week of August, high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s and partly cloudy skies.